Kia Telluride here at Kia Sunshine. Special thanks to George for letting me come and film the 2020 Kia Telluride. I came here and I did the 2019 Kia Stinger. So if you guys want to come in and get a pre-owned vehicle or a brand new vehicle like the 2020 Kia Telluride right here that I have, you just come in and ask for George. He's the finance manager. So first off, this is a 3.8 engine. It's a 6-cylinder. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission. So right here, you do have these nice, beautiful LED lights. You do have a halogen bulb, and you have a daytime running light. And you do have these nice integrated turn signals. You do have this. This is a real air scoop. Some people say it's for to cool your brakes, or some people say it's for more downforce. I think it's either or. So making our way on the side right here, you do have this nice integrated turn signal on the side, and this one does come in a 245 series, 60 series tire, and it's wrapped in a 18-inch rim. So making our way back into the back, so you do have this nice, beautiful, full-on LED tail light. You do have your reverse lights are full LED, and your back and your brake lights are actually a full LED. So you do have a two exhaust. So the 2020 Kia Telluride, the door has a nice stud slam to it. So you turn that. So right here you have a nice chrome accented door handle. You have all your windows are one touch down, one touch up for all four. This is a nice feature. I mean, I kind of wasn't even expecting that. You do have this nice big storage right here. You can put some coins, put your phone, and down at the bottom you do have a big storage. You know, put like the phone, anything like that down there. I actually like these big cover speakers right here. Over here you do have your lane keep assist. You do have a lane departure. You do have traction control. You do actually have a function to hold your trunk. And up here with inside the gauge cluster right here, you can mess with your drive modes, which would be like eco, comfort, sport, smart. Of course, you can tell the difference between all the other comfort rides. In this thing, you have your hazards up here. You have your maps, and this is also a 10-point-inch nice. It's actually nice. It's nice resolution. Let's check out the backup camera, see how it looks. You do have a 360 camera. For some reason, I'm not sure why it's not showing the actual surroundings, but you have trajectory. You have your distant markers right there. Put that back in sport. And this shifter right here is actually off of the Kia Stinger. Nice suede Alcantara material. You do have a 12-volt outlet, USB port. You do actually have a fast charger, and also you also do have a wireless charging pad. I didn't see that. You have 3-level heated seats and also cool seats. And this piano black plastic kind of material right here, I wish they could have wouldn't let it slip back instead of like that popping open kind of thing. You do have 2 cup holders right here, and you have your drive mode, and then you have the auto on stop to save gas. You can turn it on and off. You do have an electronic parking brake. You do have auto hold. You guys that be in traffic want to keep putting your foot on the brake. And you also have the parking warning. You can turn it off, turn it on. Look inside the storage. You do have another fast USB port. You have this nice tray. You can go put coins, whatever you want to put. And the storage actually is kind of on the deep side. Nice stitched leather console right here. You have this fake wood grain material. Kind of, you could tell that it's fake, but it actually looks nice. I wish it was like in a darker kind of tone. You have your controls up here for your sync, your track. You can do your favorite. Let me go mess with the invitation real quick. Get back to, you can do a split screen or however you want to do it and go back home. It's actually fast. It's on the fast side. So you can open your maps to a full display, or you can search for gas stations, stuff like that. The AC does run good. It is a push to start. There's no more key. I actually like how they have the nice stitching for the Kia logo and all that. But also, the front seats are pretty comfortable. You do have lumbar support. You have your adjust to go up and down. Other than that, I actually like the steering wheel is actually in a nice wrapped leather material. Your instrument panel is in a nice leather stitched material also. This wood grain is really getting to me. I actually like it a lot. I actually like the color, but I wish it would have went with the more darker brown with it. You have your turning signals here on the side. And you have your wiper controls right here, and down here you have your AC controls. You have your front defogger, rear defogger. You have your rear, for the AC, because this is a 3-row cabin vehicle. So we're gonna hop in the second row to see how does the second row actually feel. All right, so getting into the second row, the door back here actually has a nice side of sound. You also, everything that's in the front does lead to the back. You have a nice soft material up here with the actual door crow handle. I wish they would have had like a panel sun roof up here. I think there's another trim that does come with it. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it down in the description below, or you guys can comment it if I was actually incorrect about the actual panel sunroof. So another thing that I actually like about this one is that they don't put the USB port down here at the bottom of the floor anymore. You do have a 12-volt outlet that they still do, but with the 12 volt, I mean with the 12 volt for the USB port, they do have it integrated into the seat, which I think is a pretty smart idea. You do have your 2 cup holders, and you do have a nice armrest with another actual 2 cup holders. So this car is actually full with a bunch of cup holders. You do have 2 dual mat pockets, and like I said, the windows are 1 touch up and 1 touch down express, and you have your AC controls up here, and you can also lock them from the front. So just in case you have any kids that want to like touch and feel and mess with the AC controls back here, you can lock that from the front. And also you do have an LED light. Another thing I forgot to mess with in the infotainment system was that they do have the speaker control. So if your kids are making noise or screaming, you can actually talk throughout the whole cabin and tell your kids to be quiet. And another function that I forgot to mention was it does have this like these nice bench seats. You can make them go back and forth. This is a nice feature. So if you do have someone that's like over 6 feet tall in a third row, you can make them more comfortable. But I'm gonna leave this back here so I can get into the third row. Like I say, back here, all the materials are basically leaning up from the front to the rear. It's also nice, like I say, you have your USB ports right here. Nice padded leather. And also, I actually really do like how this is actually like soft and padded, honestly. It's not like the cup holders are not really taking over your armrest, actually. So we're gonna get into the third row and see how the third row fits for average size adults like myself. We do get 2 USB ports, and you get 2 actual cup holders on each side. But I'm gonna push this back. I'm gonna close this to let you see that you don't really get too much of a third row. But this was with the seat, not too far up. But on a long car ride, would I see myself sitting back? No, because I'm like 5'8", and I don't want to be cramped back here. But another way you can get out is you actually have a nice button function right there. It does and you can get out in and out pretty easy. Put this back and clamp it. And another release function like that, if you want to have little kids, put your kids back here. But other than that, I actually like the nice function, honestly. Just push it back. And it does recline, honestly. Both seats do recline. Also, so yeah, we're gonna take this for a nice little test ride and see how the 2020 Tele actually rides. So starting off with the 2020 Kia Telluride. We're leaving the dealership right now. I guess it is a V6. I mean, overall, I do like it. It does have nice comfort, but like I say, with the drive modes, you can change it to sport. You can put it in comfort. You can put it in eco. You can put it in smart. So whatever you prefer to drive. And honestly, from the driver's point of view, you can feel the different ride material when you switch to modes. And I also do have it in the auto hold stop because I don't like having my foot on the brake. I like it. And that's actually like a nice feature. So most car companies, I feel like they're doing that now, probably with the newer models. I'm not sure when they introduced that kind of feature, but that was a good feature to actually put in cars. Because who wants to hold their foot on the brake by sitting in traffic, honestly? And then the V6 sounds pretty good. I actually like the way it sounds. You have nice visibility. I wouldn't say the pillars are not on the big side, but they're kind of like in between on the medium side. And I almost forgot that I had it on the auto hold. So I just took my foot off the brake. But to release that, put your foot on the gas or accelerator, whatever you want to call it, and it releases it. And the I do have the heated cool seat function, honestly. But I wouldn't put it on the hot. Just keep it on cool. The AC feels good. So Steve, what you think?
Man, well, it's a nice family car, Me personally, well, if I have a family, yeah, but now,
you wanna get out?
Yeah, no.
But this is what I was saying earlier, Steve. So let me see. That's it. Hello? Can you hear? I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera, but if you had like kids screaming or anything like that, I think this is like a good feature. So you can tell kids, be quiet.
Or if you don't want to hear them, smash on the gas, let the V6 do its power. But I actually like this feature because anybody can hear you. So, you know, when it ended, you press in, or you want to talk, you press it again.
So you're talking through where? I didn't even know that.
You didn't know it? So, I seen a video on YouTube. YouTube is the key. It does help you find out new things. So basically, like I say, it does use all the speakers inside the cabin, and you can project your voice. Even whoever's in the third row, they can hear you. That way you hear like a kind of like an echo sound.
That's crazy.
Like they say, you learn something new every day.
Yes,
So,
that's crazy.
but I actually like that feature though. So you got kids that are screaming, your kids get on your nerves, say, hey, be quiet. But I'm gonna put the map on the full display. I actually like when the map is on the full display, honestly. Looks better. Well, we're in traffic, so I'm gonna holler back at you guys when we probably get like on a clear road or something like that, because the traffic is killing me.
Now you telling me what to do.
Yeah. So right now, get on the turnpike, intersection, whatever you want to call it, and it's in sport. You can tell by the V6. This thing put down it puts down a lot of power. I ain't gonna lie to you. You got a merge here. Yeah, I say the 2020 ride's good. It absorbs a lot of bumps. And this, the one that I do have, it does come with a front wheel drive. You can get the other one with the all wheel drive. You can get like a dealer kind of package for $1,800. You get an all wheel drive for this particular trim, which is the XE. Or you can get what is the other wheel set drive you can get?
The SX.
The XX, that's the rear wheel drive, right?
That's the all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, okay. But for this trim in particular, you can get the all-wheel drive. Or if you don't want front wheel drive, like me, I don't like front wheel drive cars, so you can get that one. There it goes. You put your foot down. It does hold out about a good, I'd say about 4,000 RPMs, between 5,000. And it does have, like I said, this isn't a direct injection engine, so it does shift pretty good with the RPMs. So we're gonna get off right here. I wish there was more cars I could do some passing by, but hey, can't do all that. It does ride good though. Now, for some reason, I guess the car put itself back in comfort. I didn't even notice.
Smart mode, that's why.
Oh, this one.